Gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home in Oasis South. This 2017 construction is move-in ready, meticulously maintained, and waiting for you. Neutral grays throughout and soaring ceilings. Nice trim work too. The open floor plan with gas fireplace is perfect for entertaining or everyday living. The kitchen with stainless appliances, granite countertops, glass tile backsplash, dining area, and pantry exude a modern feel. Separate master bedroom with ensuite bath is complete with separate vanities, separate tub and shower, and walk-in closet. 2 of the guest rooms share a full hall bath while the 4th is currently used as an office. The utility room completes the interior space. Outside enjoy the large, fenced backyard from the generous covered back patio. Common areas in the neighborhood include a playground. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.